Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 Minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online English language lessons. This week in one of my super advanced groups I had a new student, and as we were chatting before class I asked what she did. And unsurprisingly, like many other students in the group, she was also an English language teacher herself. So I asked how long she'd been teaching, and she told me that it was only about a year now. So she was still a rookie, still a newbie. She was still cutting her teeth. If you cut your teeth, you get your initial practice or your initial experience at the beginning of your career. So, for example, every time I go past a language school in central London called St. Giles with my kids, I always point it out to them and bore them by saying, you see that place over there? That's where I cut my teeth back in the early 90s, because that was where I had my very first paid job as an English language teacher. You might talk about someone's career path and say, well, he cut his teeth at a local radio station, but then he went on to make his name presenting reality TV shows. In the same way, some actors cut their teeth on TV adverts or on low-budget movies before going on to find fame and fortune. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button, the thumbs up sign. It helps more people get to see it. Please make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to hear about how, when and where you cut your teeth.